Well, hello. This is my worm bin number 2. Let's take a peek and see what's going on, because I try to check weekly to see what's going on with my worms. So we'll inspect it. Don't know what to expect in here. So there's a few in there moving around. Let's dig around and see what's going on. There's a lot of them down here in this corner here. Which is a good thing. I'm doing a little irrigation with my rake so that way it'll be fluffed up and they'll be able to get more air circulation going. Worm castings are looking good. They're doing well. Let's give them a little extra food in this bin. I'm going to give them the lettuce. Some coffee grinds for some grit. And they also say that worms reproduce a lot better with the coffee, with something about the caffeine that makes them in the mood for love simply because they're near me. But I'm gonna add some shredded paper in there too, just to help with the moisture. We will check back next week to see how everything's going. I will cover this bedding stuff back up. Put my paper back on top to help eliminate fruit flies. If you guys like this video, please like it, subscribe it, and comment below. You guys have a great day. Bye.